Hi, I'm Bishop Larry Kulick, and I'm here today in Sacred Heart Church. Since my ordination and installation on February 11th, I have been thinking a lot about the parishioners of Sacred Heart Parish and about the condition of their church. And I'm here today to make a series of announcements which will help the parishioners of Sacred Heart Parish to get back to some normalcy in their parish life and the utilization of their parish church.
Hi, I'm Jim Garvin. I'm the Director of Engineering and Facilities Management for the Diocese of Greensburg. The Sacred Heart Church building has been plagued by water infiltration over the last 2 decades. In 2017, a large piece of plaster fell from the church, which initiated a lot of our investigation into the condition of the plaster in the remaining areas of the church. In August of 2020, we started a restoration project where we removed significant amounts of plaster. The project far exceeded what we thought would have to happen, to the point where most of the exterior side walls of the church had to be removed. When you return to the church, you may see exposed masonry walls, staining, bits and pieces of the existing plaster that was still there. Although the church may not look the way you remember, it is structurally sound and safe for your return.
Beginning the weekend of June 26th, Sacred Heart Church will be open to the public again. It will be utilized for parish weddings, funerals, baptisms, and most importantly, it will be open for weekend masses. I'm very grateful for the leadership of Father Michael Sykin. He has faced many challenges related particularly to the church building here at Sacred Heart, and his guidance and his leadership have helped us get to the point of where we are today. I'm very committed to the Catholic presence and the viability of the parishes in Jeannette, both Sacred Heart and Ascension. And so I'm looking forward to this opportunity as we gather to begin a process where we can come together and look at the needs of these parish communities, their facilities, and how we can make the Catholic presence in Jeannette not only more viable and stronger, but certainly ensure it for the future. Father Sykin and I both agreed that this would be an optimum time to transition parish leadership. With that, I am appointing Deacon Bill Neuhaus as administrator of Sacred Heart and Ascension parishes in Jeannette. Deacon Bill is a known face to all of you and has worked here as a deacon for many years. He also has a great knowledge of the parishes and the community, and I know under his leadership will bring a good and necessary familiarity to this parish project.
Hi, my name is Deacon Bill Neuhaus. I'm a permanent deacon for the Diocese of Greensburg. I was ordained in 2015. I grew up in southwestern Pennsylvania my whole life. I was born in Greensburg. I grew up in Hermione, and my wife and I now live in Greensburg. We are members of St. Paul's, even though I'm assigned here in Jeannette since my ordination in 2015. I spent 40 years, 2 months and 28 days working for Charlie Brothers, which became Super Value, which is now UNFI. I was a transportation supervisor and superintendent, and I retired there in October of 2019, I believe. I enjoy working here with the people of Jeannette. I've made some good bonds here, and I look forward to working with them in the future.
I am also very pleased to announce that a Benedictine presence will be returning to the Jeannette community. At the presentation of Archabbot Martin, I'm happy to announce that Father Job Foote will become the parochial vicar of both Ascension and Sacred Heart parishes, working with Deacon Bill as the administrator to lead these parish communities into the future and also to begin to work on a viability program for the town.
Hi, I'm Father Job from St. Vincent Archabbey in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, and I'm very excited to be here at Sacred Heart Church in Jeannette. I come from Scranton Diocese, where I initially thought to be a priest, but through my time at Penn State, I met the Benedictines and ended up at St. Vincent Archabbey in Latrobe, and I've been a monk for over 30 years now. I have much pastoral experience, spending much time in chaplaincies, hospitals, prisons, orphanages, and I'm very excited to be back here in Greensburg Diocese, where I will be celebrating sacraments here at this church and Ascension Church, but living at St. Vincent Archabbey, which is my home. So I'm just very, very happy to be here with you. I'm excited about the challenge of getting this parish and this building back up to where it needs to be.
I'm now turning to the people, the parishioners of Sacred Heart and Ascension parishes, and making a personal request that you work with Deacon Bill and with Father Job as we work together. I want to respect both the uniqueness and the autonomy of both parish communities, but we also realize that we have to work together as two parish communities for the overall viability and long-term stability and sustainability of the Catholic faith and the work of evangelization here in the greater Jeannette area.
Bishop Kulick wants to ensure that the parishes of Sacred Heart and Ascension in Jeannette have the most stable footing possible to move forward in this new endeavor. To that end, one of the most critical elements of any parish's future is faith formation, and accompanied with that, the broader term of evangelization. To that end, the diocese is providing grants to fund the position of the Director of Faith Formation and Evangelization. And this person will serve both parishes. Bishop Kulick has often stated, even in the short time that he has been bishop, that is the sharing of our faith and the strengthening of our understanding of the faith that will best ensure the vitality of our parishes going into the future. With this 2-year grant, we hope to give, as I said before, both of these parishes literally a leg up as they begin this new combined endeavor.